Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to complete the C++ tutorial, the code blocks program. As you know, the last video code blocks stopped working. I'll give the link in the description. Code blocks stopped working, so I needed a new program. I installed Visual Studio. Okay guys, let's start. I didn't try the program yet. I'll see if it works. I'll try it with you guys. Let's wait until it works. Guys, before we start, please let's hit 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you click the subscribe button, click on the bell button, share this video with others. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers guys, please. Okay, create a new project. Come on. Come on, what the hell's going on? I just started that program and it's not responding. The hell is going on? The hell? Oh my god guys, when I start task manager, finally. What now? Not you also. Not you. I hate this computer. Come on! Close. Now. Okay. Console up. That's what we want. What? What keeps... Respond! Fuck this computer. Finally. Windows. What? The hell's going on? Task manager. That is enough in the process. End it. End it. What the hell? This always need to happen. Okay, Are you responding now? Did you just respond? New project. Again, it's gonna say, okay, thanks God. Now what? What am I supposed to? Okay, next. What now? Why? Why is this happening? Why? What's going on? Finally. What the? Guys, that is enough. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna continue with this series. I'm gonna end it here. So sorry. If you guys want, I'm gonna put some tutorials in the description. I don't want to waste the time like this. So this video is gonna be about some YTP, some funny videos. Okay, wait guys, I'm doing some things. Okay. Like this, okay? Let's open Internet Explorer and start this. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. If you want to become a hacker, you need to learn how to program, okay? Because I'm gonna show you guys. Wait. I'm opening my browser, other one. Guys, sometimes I browse the dark web. If you want, I can make a dark web video. And I'm gonna add it to the Touch series. Come on, why you need so much time? Hit me. Fuck. Open. It was so fast at first. Why it has always lag? Finally, finally, it opened two menus. Don't close all windows. Close only this one. Close. Why it always... This computer needs help. Come on! What? Why? Why are you doing this? Why? I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna fucking close this. Close. Close. Fucking close. Okay, open Task Manager. I'm gonna end the task of Internet Explorer. I don't know if it's this thing which is slowing my PC up, but I'm gonna close it. I'm not using it. Fuck. End task. Okay, let me use a VPN first. Really? Really? What the hell? Open! Finally! Fuck yeah. Okay. For example, youtube.com. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to hack. First of all, guys, if you want to hack, you need to learn how to program, okay? For example, what am I going to hack? This text, you can edit it, okay? Just do like this, click on it, click on inspect. Okay, here it will show you all the HTML programming codes. Here you need to learn HTML to do editing to any website. When you finish the editing, you close this, then you click this, then you click save as, and you save the website here somewhere on your desktop or something. In your computer you need to save the website. Then you need to buy a domain name. Then you need a program to upload the website to the internet, okay? I finished from Google Chrome. I'm just gonna close it now. I'm gonna close the desktop. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Click the like button if you like the video. Share this video with others. See you later. Always.